All right, I'm working on this. Here's a quick update. I got spark. I checked both spark plugs, so I eliminated that problem. I have more fuel here in the fuel filter. I hardly had any, but I took the hoses off and blew air through them, and I got a nice gas flow there right now. And I go up to here to the fuel pump, and I believe it's the fuel pump. So I take this hose off right from the filter. There's plenty of gas flow there. Take this hose off while I'm turning it over, and it's not squirting out like it should. Maybe I can do that for you right here. Take that off. I got it loose. See, now when I turn the key, it should be squirting out of there. Watch. I charged the battery overnight. See, gas should be blowing right out of there right now. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Oh, hang on. Let me plug it back in. Why? All right, plug it back in. It's squirting out. It wasn't before. I banged on it with a screwdriver. I don't think that did it though. Watch. Maybe it's intermittent or something. Try that again. It's squirting out. All right, if it's not the fuel pump, but I did order one same day delivery for $10 because I thought that was it, because it wasn't coming out of there before. Maybe it's a bad diaphragm or it's cracked or jammed up. Let's try this again. Squirting out. It's a good sign. Then we'll have to follow this hose. Here we go. Man, that should be enough to get them cylinders fired up. Put it back on. Darn. All right, well that's my update. And the fuel pump is coming same day delivery. I'm gonna blow air through this hose. Wish me luck. I took it apart a little more, and from the fuel pump, here's the hose that comes from the fuel pump. Took that off. That's squirting fuel going into here, and I blew in there with my mouth, and it seems kind of clogged up. So I don't know what's in there. We're gonna find out. I don't want to blow hard air through there with my compressor because I might blow out a carburetor diaphragm or something. I don't know. I didn't find nothing out there. I'm gonna pour a little gas in there because I want to hear this beautiful motor start. Just a little bit. He ruined it. Want to hear this? Stand back. Now it's flooded. Try it again. That sounds so good. We have a fuel delivery problem. Keep it running. Come on, come on. Put more gasohol. I don't care. I don't hear it. I want to hear it. Maybe it'll prime itself and keep that pump going, you know? Hand back. It sounds so good. It sounds good when it runs. I love it. What are we going to do now? See why it's not getting from the fuel pump to the carburetor. There's carb cleaner here that somebody used, but it's empty, so they used a lot of it. I'll keep working on it. I'll keep you updated. Okay? It's fun. It sounds great.